morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. Today, we are headed down to Huntington Beach to go to one of the coolest car shows I have ever seen, and it's for charity. You'll notice the Z4 is gone. That is right, it is being wrapped right now in an awesome color. Let's go ahead and move Allie out of the way because we are taking the Lambo. I got my sister in the car with me. The event is called Cars and Copters. Apparently there are going to be a ton of hypercars, Koenigsegg's, Pagani's, maybe even some helicopters. We got Alex's M2. We're about to roll out to Huntington, meet up with another M2. We are so late to the car meet, I'm literally allowing us to eat in the car. You just ate a banana in the car. There is something about eating in the car, and it's just not okay. I don't know what it is. I let people eat in the E63, but in my pride and joy, like, you can't eat in my car. Just rolled up to the gas station to meet up with some friends, and it looks like this was freaking Chris's car and Alex, but we have a matching combination of gray and white M2s. This one has a sick carbon fiber front splitter. Look at that. I'm absolutely in love with the M2, and seeing 4 of them next to each other is pretty crazy. Look at that, M2s, 3 across. That is awesome. Look at that beauty. Look at all of the M2s in my side view mirror. That's sick.
I'm also a beauty.
Oh, okay.
So apparently it's International No Diet Day, which means I'm about to eat probably my body weight in cupcakes.
I got into a little race with this Hellcat, and then all of a sudden this Raptor's trying to race, and there was an S-Class up there trying to race. I'm loving this S550 with German delivery plates on it, and that Hellcat just ripped by. Just pulled off to meet up with our friend in his M3, and look, he is absolutely surrounded by highway patrol right now. This thing is so low, it's static. Look at this. I just saw some Snapchats from the event. It looks absolutely insane. I cannot wait to get there. We're about 5 minutes out. Let's roll. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
You have registered already?
Yeah.
So you're VIP?
Just pulled up. These 2 bikers blocked traffic so I could get in. Thank you guys so much. Here we go. What's up, man? What's up?
Parker.
What's up? We got the cop helping us out. What's up, man? Good, how are you?
Hi, Parker!
Hi. What's up, man? Alright guys, the turnout at this meet in terms of the cars and the amount of people here is beyond ridiculous. We're gonna do a little walkthrough. What's up, dude? I haven't seen this many Koenigsegg's next to each other since Fuel Run on the way to Monterey Car Week. Oh my god. We've got the Resvani tank that I did a reaction video with next to a beautiful Enzo. What's up, man? And a helicopter next to an Agera R and the Regera. Look at this. I mean, there are literally so many people here you almost can't see the cars. But when you can see the cars, the lineup here is absolutely insane. And then right next to the Koenigsegg lineup is a ton of Pagani's. We've got Wyra BCs all the way down to Zondas. Welcome. You're in the
You're wrong, Parker.
Hell yeah. Hold on, guys. We got a 570S coming into the meet. That's so adorable. Stealing the show, one Aventador SV at a time. Oh, the dog is obsessed with my sister. Say hello to the vlog. You're the cutest thing in the world.
Why can't you go in the middle?
Oh my gosh, this Zonda is so beautiful. When there's a bunch of Koenigseggs and Pagani's, the things that really steal the show are dogs. Look at this, we got F-Spot and Jay Stratty.
Oh, Parker!
What's up?
I see this homeless man holding a camera.
What's up, dude? Good to see you, man. The show is absolutely ridiculous.
It is crazy. What is
And
that 488 is so loud.
that was a 488?
Yeah, it's a 488.
Good for them. Manny Koshman's Agera RS across the street with the biggest crowd ever around it. Look at all the people chasing it.
That's insane.
Nice 12C, brand new M5 Viper. New M5, hit it. All right guys, I know this idea is absolutely crazy, but what do you think if I put the E63S on Swap-A-Lease about a year from now and got an M5, so I got to experience both the E63 and the M5 and bring that daily drivability and living with those cars to the channel. I love the E63 to death. I don't want to get rid of it whatsoever, but it'll be fun to switch it up. Just got done with some lunch, time to head back to the show. This isn't even in the show. S63 AMG. All right, time for a little walk through the rest of the show. We're on a different section now, haven't been here yet. Tons of Lamborghinis. Got a beautiful matte Performante. And then this Rap Legends crazy slammed Huracan. Look at that. Oh my God. Chassis mounted wing. Pink wheels, that's bad. Absolutely beautiful Ford GT here next to a P1. We got Protected Film Solutions 570S that I reviewed a while back. Now this thing shoots absolutely ridiculous flames, and behind that, a Ferrari F50. That is so awesome. Another Ford GT next to a helicopter, and Dan's beautiful carbon and blue Centenario. I'm actually surprised that Stradman isn't inside of the Centenario right now, but he'll be around soon.
Hello, Parker. Nice to meet you.
What's up, dude? Good to meet you.
Hey, what's
What up, dude? Oh! All right, this is the first 720 I've heard that actually sounds incredible. Check this out. Woo! That sounds freaking awesome. Look at the spec on this thing. The cars are a little bit more exposed now. Oh my. Look how many Koenigseggs there are. The RS1 that I got to ride in, that thing is so stunning. I'm sure you guys have seen this Bugatti before, the Royalty Exotics Mansory Veyron. I just met the owner of the company. He invited me out to Las Vegas to drive some of their cars. Could you imagine a review on this thing? That would be absolutely ridiculous. Full Mansory kit. Unbelievable. And apparently, in Vehicle Virgins fashion, this thing has a muffler delete. Imagine if they did it in the same fashion that I do my straight piping videos. Probably not. It's tuned as well and on aftermarket wheels. Most people do not put aftermarket wheels on the Veyron because they have those bespoke Michelin tires that cost 30, 40 grand a set, but it makes a lot more sense to get aftermarket wheels in the same spec so you can put cheaper tires on it. All right, in my hands is the key to the Mansory Bugatti Veyron. It is very similar to the key I had in my Lamborghini Gallardo, only, yeah, this thing is much, much cooler. We're gonna go ahead and hop in the interior and start it up. Look how spectacular that is. Oh my gosh. What's up, dude? I do know how to do it, Amir. I've just been taught by the owner how to do it. I didn't previously know how to do it. What's up, dude?
Yo.
This is Houston, the legend. The guy who was arrested for driving too slow in a damn Bugatti.
Yeah, that's the works. Start it up.
Let's do it.
Right there.
All right, muffler delete Veyron.
I'm out here. I haven't heard it from outside yet.
Oh my God. That sounds ridiculous, guys. We're about to roll out with a ton of Koenigsegg's and Houston in the Bugatti. Also, can we reflect on how low this is? Imagine how scary it is driving a Veyron that's literally 3 fingers above the ground. Some more information on this Veyron. It's actually a 2008, and when they did the full Mansory conversion, they replaced the ugly first generation lights with these updated LEDs. So effectively, it looks like a Veyron Super Sport. This is now tuned so it has 1,100 horsepower and 1,100 pound-feet of torque. So right about at the Veyron Super Sport's 1,200. Crazy details, carbon fiber windshield wipers, wide body slats there, and that double wing. Oh my God. And as you can see, the massive muffler is gone. It's just exhaust straight out of the back. What do you think of the Bugatti?
It's pretty cool.
That's all you're gonna say?
That's it.
So we are about to do this rally with the Mansory Bugatti, and he said he wants to run the two cars next to each other. So are we gonna get another supercharged Lambo versus Bugatti race? I hope so. There it is. Hi, Nirenstein. Oh, that Regera. Woo. Look at that, a Bugatti and cop cars. It's a familiar sight.
Rain only.
Thank you very much, sir. That was insane. The Bugatti literally just almost got hit by a Camry. It was a Corolla, it wasn't even a Camry.
Check that out. Where is he?
That Veyron is so damn fast. I think he took off a little bit before me. Honestly, for an 800 horsepower car to keep up like that, I'm pretty impressed, but there's nothing you can do against 1100 horsepower. There you go, an actual Veyron Super Sport race, excuse me, Mansory Veyron with a tune and exhaust against the 800 horsepower VF car. I'm impressed. That's actually like almost close. He definitely pulls away a little bit, but that is insane. Absolutely ridiculous. Alright, so we finally got some legitimate supercharged Huracan versus Veyron action. I want to hear, in your opinion, what you think happened.
Those things are fast, but at the same time, the Veyron really can get it up in gear, third, fourth gear. I don't think I can take it.
No way, yeah.
No, but Alex's car surprised me a little bit.
Yeah.
And your car's pretty fast, but I got to really run Alex.
Yeah.
And if I really wasn't in it, he was taking me. So
yeah. Well, the supercharger, instant takeoff, no lag. You got 4 turbos that have to spool up.
I do, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then I'm gone.
And then after 120, he goes all the way up to 250 and mine tops out.
Yeah.
That's the end of it.
I always win at the end
You
of the
always
day.
win. That was sick though, dude. Seriously. So we pulled out to an undisclosed location and there are Koenigsegg's everywhere. This is absolutely sick. We've got Floyd Mayweather's old Trevita, a beautiful new RS. The Vitesse RS1. Look at this beast, Dan pulling it out. Beautiful McLaren MSOX. Look at that roof scoop. This garage is absolutely insane. I've seen it in pictures and videos, but actually seeing there's 6 Koenigsegg's back here right now, and then there are 2 outside is pretty unbelievable. And then even a car like a TDF almost looks pedestrian in comparison, but unbelievable. I love that these 2 Koenigsegg's are just casually parked outside too. What do you guys think of the gold leaf spec on this car? Similar to the one that I saw in Geneva. I actually quite like it. It's almost like a forged carbon pattern, but in gold. Absolutely epic. Blue weave carbon fiber wheels. Wyra BC, oh my gosh. Pulling between 2 Koenigsegg's. Ooh, Ferrari Enzo. Absolute massive YouTuber meet at this place. We've got F-Spot, not sure whose car that is. We got James the Stradman, Alex. We got this freaking awesome Bugatti Veyron, my car. We got Maddie, oh Maddie. And we got Amir's car. Absolute blast. That car meet was so cool. Thanks to every single one of you who came out. That was one of the coolest assortment of cars I have seen in a very long time. So congratulations to the people who put on the Cars and Copters event. You did a fantastic job. I hope you do it again. Seriously, we're about to go shopping because I took her to this car show for all day long, so I feel like she deserves it. And she liked it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.